Hey guys, Joe from Extreme Terrain, and today I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to install the WeatherTech front and rear side window deflectors in a dark smoke, fitting all 16 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Now, something like this is going to be perfect for the Tacoma owner that's looking to get some fresh air in any weather scenario with a set of well-engineered deflectors that don't use any tape to adhere to the truck. These are made out of a 3mm acrylic and feature a dark smoke. As you can see, they match the black accents on our 16 Tacoma perfectly, but if that dark smoke wasn't for you, WeatherTech also manufactures these in a light smoke variant, which would probably add to the visibility through the deflector itself. One huge benefit and one thing I like about this set in particular is that these install onto the truck right in the windshield channel and do not require the use of any tape, so if you plan on having these on your truck for a long time, this is definitely the way you want to go. Pricing for these is going to come in at around 115 bucks. At that price, you do get a front pair and a rear pair, but they are sold individually as just front pairs and rear pairs if you are looking to save a little bit of money and you just needed either or. Now, at that $115 price point, it is a little bit on the high side, but you're getting a good product here, something that's engineered in the USA and handcrafted in Germany. Also comes with a limited lifetime warranty. You really can't go wrong. Install is going to be extremely easy. We're looking at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should only take you about half an hour to get the full kit hooked up to your truck, and all the tools you need to do this are included in the kit from WeatherTech. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. The only tool you'll need for this install is this trim tool right here, and like I said, it comes in the kit from WeatherTech. So we're gonna start our install at the rear, and what we need to do is install a couple of these metal clips in the rubber trim around the window using that trim tool from WeatherTech. So what we're gonna do to install these is actually come about 3 inches in from the edge here. Then we're gonna put our tool in the actual window channel, and that is going to reveal this lip right here. Then we're gonna take this flat portion of the clip, slip it in between, and push up into the window channel to get that seated. So now we're going to take the passenger side rear deflector and maneuver that in between the clips and the windshield channel itself. Now you wanna make sure you grab the right one. The leading edge should have this harder angle and the trailing edge should have this soft angle. So now we're gonna move to the front deflector, and this one doesn't have any clips that are required to be installed first. Since the window has a bow in it, it holds itself in place. All that's left for us to do is slowly roll up the windows, make sure everything clears, and repeat the same process for the other side. And that is going to do it for my review and install of the WeatherTech front and rear side window deflectors in a dark smoke, fitting all 16 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you remember to subscribe for more videos like this one and all things Tacoma.